Before installation, ensure that the product and adhesives meet acclimation and site requirements per installation guidelines and product specifications. The Mohawk Group's woven carpets must be row cut. Woven carpets are produced with a different color yarn on the selvage edge. Begin by trimming the different color yarn off. This is done using a row runner to open the row, then using a top cutter to cut the seam. If the pattern is slightly crooked, follow the row and keep it on the correct points. Apply edge sealer to the cut edge as soon as the product is cut. Do not roll it up or move it to another location. Doing so can damage the seam edge. Edge sealer is applied to the edge of the backing where the yarn and backing meets. Apply a small bead to the edge, then take your thumb and press the sealer into the backing. This will wipe off the excess sealer and smooth it out flat. Edge sealer is required on all Mohawk woven carpet seams. Allow the sealer to dry completely before folding the carpet back. Continue to use this method until all seams are cut. This method works for both width and length seams. For any questions, contact Mohawk Technical Services at 1-800-833-6954.